residential, our focus moves to residents, particularly to homemakers. Though not gender specific, there is certainly a slant towards women when we talk about homemakers. And there are studies to show that households where women participate in the investment decision, they are likely to attain improved and efficient water services, sorry. So hence the focus on women. And as for children, they are our teachers. Learning, adults learning through children has been an ongoing process. We have spoken about it in our past meetings. And here we are again with children leading the way.
Honestly, I'm not very, very actively involved in what our apartment does. Having said that, I know a couple of initiatives that we've taken, like, we have rainwater harvesting that we are doing in our apartment. We use, for our flush and things in the toilets, we use only the STP water itself. And, we're recently working on a solar thing as well, which is going to start soon. So that is one. And of course, the aerators. And I think what has really worked in our apartment is the children itself, because I think, like you saw in the previous session also, our children are very involved in these activities. So not only our apartment, but neighboring apartments also.
Wasting food or wasting water, I'm always alert in my house or kitchen. See, we are having 5 branches of paying guest in Bangalore, in Jayanagar, Dattangudi. So always alert to call the cook, not to waste food or how to use water in the kitchen. Whenever they use us, cleaning the vegetables, grains, they should use it for the backyard, gardens, or harvesting. That part they should put it there.
This is basically how we look, very similar to what we talk about carbon credit, in industry. We can start talking like water credit. That means, let us say in each apartment, I give 1,000 liters per day, but I use only 300. I can actually, quote unquote, donate the other 700 to the other people, and that can be traced or tracked. And this is basically quantification of usage. For example, so that means everybody must accept for this transparency. Okay, this is a idea that can be brought about if the community agrees to this kind of idea.
I think Nivedat spoke about kids being the change agent, and we've been talking about kids being the change agent for the last 20 years or so. But I see that they are possibly the ones who can make these great changes and change their parents. You know that I've often said at the age of 30, our brains are atrophied. It's very difficult to change.
Totally.
It's the young ones who are making the change. I'm extremely happy with what is being done.
It is extremely important that residents have an understanding of how much water they consume in some of the end-use applications. See, a survey was done in California, I understand, which looked at how residents approach water management and water conservation. It is extremely interesting that the finding was that most residents did not know how much they consume in various end-use applications.